Yo AutoAce fam! Today it's the Honda ADV 160 versus the Yamaha Aerox 155 V3. Adventure comfort or sports city king? By the end, you'll know which scooter is right for you in 2025. Let's go! The Aerox is cheaper to enter, but the ADV gives you adventure features standard. ADV 160 Aerox 155 The ADV delivers smooth, torque pull for mixed city and rough patches. The Aerox feels sharper and sportier, perfect for quick city moves. ADV 160 Aerox 155 ADV gives you better clearance for humps and potholes. Aerox sits lower, more planted for sporty handling. ADV 160 Aerox 155 The ADV takes the win on fuel range. ADV 160 Aerox 155 Standard Aerox 155 SP If you want traction control standard, ADV is hit. For ABS plus TCS, go Aerox SP. ADV 160 Aerox 155 To conclude, Pick ADV 160 if you want traction control standard, higher clearance, bigger tank and storage, and comfort for rough roads or long rides. Pick Aerox 155 SP if you want sportier feel, ABS plus TCS, rear disc and aggressive styling. Pick Aerox 155 Standard if budget is priority, but you still want sporty punch. If these help you decide, smash like. It really supports the channel. And for more quick and honest scooter guides, subscribe and hit the bell. Now, tell me in the comments, are you Team ADV or Team Aerox? Ride safe, ride smart, and thanks for watching.